literally about to like start recording.
Life is in boxes in back of our car, driving around with the dreams in a jar, and it's all right here.
I'm running so slow. So fast.
Anything goes when you don't even care when you're this.
I swear, if I got my phone, I'll cry. Like, we stop.
If it gets any sweeter than this,
I got this going.
I don't
Yeah. I like the quality of that. Like, literally the quality of this is like so bad. Oh my god. The thing's getting cleaned right now, and then after we're gonna go on it again. Good. Yeah. Shit is gorgeous. God, this is so scary. Why is this part so hard? I didn't know that was there, so I like jumped on it. We're getting back in smooth ice. That's so nice. Okay, so we're going back to the ice because they just cleaned it. So yeah, we're kind of vlogging too. Yeah. So, yeah, go subscribe to her on the Claire page. The Claire Bear. The Claire. So, whoa. Oh, this is nice. I like it. I like it.
you read your book, baby, all If it gets any sweeter than this, I don't wanna know. If it gets any sweeter than this, I don't wanna know. If it gets any sweeter than this, I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know. I don't wanna know.
Bye.